What's up YouTube? European to Swee here with Carrie, and sorry for not uploading more, but we've been kind of busy. Hey guys, European to Swee here with Carrie, and this is another car that we just bought. The thing is, we bought this really cheap just for scrap, so we're gonna take some parts of it and just scrap the rest. And we found a guy who wanted to sell his Ford Focus, this one with lots of rust. It works mechanically good, but it's just lots of rust on it. And he had a Golf Mark 1 that he needed tires to, so we switched the tires from the Vento or Jetta or Golf, whatever you call it. We took the summer tires of that one, traded it for this car. So junk tires that we got almost for free, traded it to another car. So this is just gonna be scrap too, like it's duct tape and more duct tape. Oh. There's something about the red Fords that they're really crappy. So yeah, it's a sedan. Not super rare, but you don't see them very much. There's rust everywhere. So Carrie's gonna remove some stuff, and then just gonna take it to the scrap. So he's gonna start on that, and I'm gonna start on the Vento. Yeah. Maybe someday we can buy a nice car.
Yes.
Maybe someday. All right. Okay, so we took off the front, the grille, the lights. This is almost connected, just so you can drive to the scrap. No hood, no doors, no rear lights. But it's just a short trip. Think it's gonna work?
Of course.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so it's like, it's no doors. It don't have any doors. I don't have any doors, and it's like fucking.
Jag missade ju det där när du svängde in.
Ja.
Jag råkade komma åt knappen eller om den stänger av av sig.
Du på 3:an.
Ja.
Är det på att spela in nu eller?
Ja.
Okej. Volkswagen Vento. Burn out in third gear.
Ta den där så.
Ja, lägg in i bilen. So the thing is, we bought. What car did we have before the Vento? Ah, just a Citroen, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we had the Citroen, which we were gonna change the release bearing for on the clutch, and like every time we were in the garage trying to fix it, we'd like, oh, we need another part. Oh, we need another part. So it took like just too long to fix that car. But you learn everything. You learn something every time you do something, right?
Yes.
So next time we're gonna do a clutch change. We're gonna buy all the parts straight on. But yeah, so as of today's Sunday, Kari just sold the Citroen, so that's gone. And meanwhile, while that was getting fixed and it was on sale, we bought a Vento, which is just a renamed Jetta. I don't know why, but they changed name from Jetta to Vento when it became Golf Mark III. So we bought that cheap, and first we thought maybe we're gonna fix it up, but then we'll scrap it, whatever, man. And Kari found another car, and both my Torino and Bullock McDaddy told me to buy a Ford. So yeah, we bought a Ford Focus, the most rotten Ford Focus I've ever seen. It was just moldy on the inside and rust everywhere. Not one body panel was clear from rust. It's just rust everywhere. So we bought that and paid we didn't buy it, we traded it. We traded it for the summer tires that we got to the Vento. So we got two cars, but we only paid for one. And yeah, they're both scrapped now. So they're both scrapped. A Citroen is sold, and now we're on the car, on our way to maybe buy a new project car. The guy who's selling it is really dodgy. Responds to messages like when he feels like it. So we'll see. I can tell you this much: it's got a V8. So stay subscribed, and I'll see you later.